Sponsored by RxCardClub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. RxCardClub.com. What is the difference between Flublok and Flublok Quadrivalent? Key points. Flublok Quadrivalent, from Sanofi Pasteur, was first approved by the FDA in 2017 and is used to immunize adults 18 years and older against influenza. Flublok was a recombinant trivalent influenza vaccine first licensed by the FDA in 2013. Flublok has now been replaced by Flublok Quadrivalent, which protects against 4 influenza strains instead of 3. Flublok Quadrivalent was the first high antigen content quadrivalent vaccine and contains 3 times the active ingredients of other quadrivalent vaccines. It is a recombinant vaccine and does not require an egg-grown vaccine virus nor the use of chicken eggs in production. High antigen content flu vaccines may offer an advantage to people at risk from flu complications, such as seniors or those with lowered immunity. Flublok Quadrivalent has the same purity advantages as trivalent Flublok, containing pure protein made without infectious influenza virus, antibiotics, eggs, thimerosal, preservatives, gelatin or latex. Common side effects include injection site reactions, tenderness, pain, headache, fatigue, and muscle and bone pain. Learn more. Flublok versus Flublok Quadrivalent. What is a quadrivalent flu vaccine? Quadrivalent vaccines add an additional B strain to the 3 recommended strains in the trivalent flu vaccine each year, and protect against A and B strains of influenza, 4 strains total. In general, quadrivalent vaccines have now replaced trivalent vaccines in the US market. Even though quadrivalent or high-dose vaccines may give you added protection during the flu season, experts say don't delay getting your influenza vaccine if a particular formulation or brand is not available. Do not use Flublok Quadrivalent if you have ever had a severe allergic reaction, for example, anaphylaxis, to any component of the vaccine. This is not all the information you need to know about Flublok Quadrivalent for safe and effective use and does not take the place of talking to your doctor about your treatment. Review the full Flublok Quadrivalent information and side effects here, and discuss this information and any questions you have with your doctor or other healthcare provider. RxCardClub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs.